Hi, Rising Star. Today we are in our Piano Adventures book, lesson book, primer level, and we are playing the walking song. Now this song, we are taking two groups of the three black keys and we're playing them with 2, 3, and 4. And what we're going to do today is we're going to have our firm fingertips, and we're just going to go through and we're going to play the finger numbers and say the numbers as we play them. Now the rhythm is just very easy. It's just quarter notes. So the quarter notes each get one count, and we can say ta, ta, ta. And we can also say beat, beat, beat for each one. So what we're going to do is take a look here real quick at our music. And as you can see right here at the very end is a double bar line. It's a thick line and a thin line right next to each other. And that means we're at the very end of the piece. So with this one, the first line is for the right hand. Second line is for the left hand. Okay, so let's take this piece, get our two groups of three black keys, firm fingertips, and what we're going to do is let's just go through and play it through once and do the right hand, left hand, and this time let's say beat as we play it. Okay, ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Beat, 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 beat. Now let's do it again, and this time let's say ta. 1, 2, ready, go. Ta, 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 ta. Very good. Now, our last time through, we're going to say our finger numbers. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4. Now what happens if we play both lines at the same time? This is our last exercise. 1, 2, ready, go. They have a nice little harmony. They sound good together. Okay, enjoy playing along with me on the next video of the walking song.